Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video we have a hair dryer. Now this is something I would obviously usually not buy, but sometime before this I had a bit of long hair and I did need a hair dryer to kind of dry it off and get it into proper shape and everything. So this is what I got from Amazon. I will leave the description of the product, the name of it, and the link in the description so you guys can check that out. I just couldn't find a man-friendly color, so I ended up getting a rose gold that was also purple. But you know, with that being said, this thing is, it just says professional DC motor for power. So unfortunately I don't have any numbers to give you guys, but it does, you know, it goes with oh, right here, 1400 to 1875 watt, or US 110 to 125 volt. Yeah, you could just plug this into a regular outlet and you're good to go. It does look pretty sleek with the design and everything, and these are some of the features this thing includes. Let me just read them to you. Blue light, radiation free, overheating protection, foldable and lightweight. This thing can be folded. I did not know that. Reduce hair frizz. I don't know what that is. Constant temperature, negative ion technology, 2 settings and 2 speeds. So that's pretty much all this thing offers. It's pretty simple and stuff, and it does come in 3 parts. One is obviously the machine, and then we have this thing where like it just like, instead of like going all over the place, it just like kind of gets into one spot and like shoots the air out in a concentrated, you know, manner. And then we also have this diffuser thing. I think this one you just like go in your hair and try to diffuse it like that. I'm not a specialist with this. I just need something to dry my hair off, you know, with air. I always suggest you guys use cold air or just regular air to dry your hair, because warm air is pretty bad for you. So you could verify if this thing is real or not through Amazon if you scan this barcode and stuff like that. You could also contact them. They make it very easy for you to contact them and all that stuff. So, you know, overall it looks very friendly. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what this is all about. Okay, so here we are. Now the top of the box is, you know, as you can see, is black, so you know, it kind of rubbed off on the paper, which is pretty cool. Just shows how long this thing has been here and how much torture this paper had to go through. This is just an instruction manual with how to use this thing and stuff. Obviously we're not going to read that after the next part. This is the diffuser thing. Now the materials are pretty, you know, hefty. It's good quality. I feel like this is something you could keep for the rest of your life, that kind of, you know, quality here. And then this here is also, you know, pretty good quality. It just feels like you can't break it or anything, you know. It feels very solid, like ABS plastic on like cars and stuff. Pretty cool. And now for the exciting part is the dryer here, and nothing else is in the box. So for the dryer, we do have a plug-in here with the switches. So in case it does trip, you have to reset it, which is a really great safety feature. And this thing is 2-prong, so you know, that kind of helps if you have an older house with 2-prong outlets and stuff like that. This thing does help. We have a status light here. With this you can, you know if this thing is on and stuff like that, and good to go. We have some Velcro here on the wires, so it's very easy to, you know, keep clean and maintain. After the actual device here, now we have, you know, as I mentioned earlier, this thing does have 2 speeds, and it comes to 0, and then there's a frost option here, which is, I'm guessing, just cold air, and then 1 and 2, I'm guessing, for the heat selections. And I'm just going to take the plastic off. We do have the, you know, name of the brand here, and you know, some power rating on the bottom. this is what the back looks like. It's actually pink. I think, I guess I did pick the purple one. I don't think I had an option, but it's purple looking more like pink. I'm not really so sure about the color here, but it's definitely girly for sure. With that being said, there's an arrow here that like it shows to like push up that way to fold it or something like that. I don't really know how to do that. Okay, I'm not trying to get hurt, but wait, so somehow this thing can be folded into like something like this. So this is what that looks like folded. So, you know, later in life I'll probably figure out how to like deal with this, but oh, right here. Wow, okay. You just twist it. You don't, why didn't they just say twist it? They said to push it this way, but well, you basically twist it like this and this is what it becomes, you know. It's pretty cool. Let me just take this plastic off. I'm actually going to turn this thing on to show you guys how this actually works. Unfold this thing, and here we are. So we're at 0 now. This is the frost option. It is extremely loud. I don't know if you can even hear me. It's super loud. I've never heard a hairdryer this loud. But this is the frost option. A lot of wind. There's a blue light in there, as you can see. So these attachments go on a magnet like that, so that's pretty cool and fast. So you just snap it on like that, and it's pretty secure, and it's not going anywhere. So that's the cold setting, and then we got the hot setting. The hot setting is pretty hot here. And then if we go to the second one, it's instant, you know, it doesn't even take time to like heat up or anything. But you know, this thing looks cool and it does the job and it's pretty sleek. So I'm gonna end this here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about this thing, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.